Hello friends, welcome back to Nushair's Technical Support. This is Nushair and today's topic is a bit different. Guess what? We can unbox Xiaomi's Redmi Note 9 Pro. Friends, before unboxing it, let me give you some simple information about it. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro has a 6.67-inch LCD screen with a 68Hz refresh rate and hole punch front camera at the top. The processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G, which is surprisingly powerful for this segment. Now let's quickly unbox it. This is the pin that opens the SIM card and SD card slot. This is the user guide. This is a very flexible cover given with the phone. Next we have is the cell phone. This is the 18 watts fast charger. It will charge your phone in just 30 minutes. And this is the USB cable of the charger. Altogether, we got these things in the box. Now we will know about some other things in the phone. Let's start. At the top, we see the 48 megapixel back camera, and below it, it's the AI dual camera. The back is made of real glass, and it's very shiny, you know. This is the in-display 16 megapixel selfie camera. To our right, we see the fingerprint sensor and the volume keys. To our left, we find the SD card and SIM card slot and a hole which helps us to open the slot with the pin. At the bottom, we get the volume keys, the mic, the charging point and the headphone jack. At the top, we get the secondary mic and the infrared LED which helps us to control our TV with our phone just like a remote. The sides are very gorgeous and attractive. Friends, my video ends here. And before leaving, I would like to inform you that Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro is a great phone. I've used it for more than a week and I am really impressed. It has given me wonderful performance. I would specially recommend you to buy it. I will leave some buying options and information about the phone in the description box. You can buy it from there if you want. Lastly, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and if you have already done it, I am really grateful to you. And if you like my video, please don't forget to like. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.